This biker made mistake of pulling a wheelie on a public street. The screaming of the engine caught the attention of the nearby officer, who saw the whole thing and hit his lights straight away. Biker knew he was in trouble, so he immediately pulled over.
Let's see how this goes. Hopefully we just get a warning.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Any idea why I pulled you over?
I was going probably just a little fast.
What was the purpose of this?
So, can I be completely transparent with you? So, we just got back from being out of state for like a week. I've had my bike being worked on since then. The quick shifter, the shifter down here, just lets me shift without using a clutch. It's been messing up, so I'm trying to get a little higher RPMs because that's when it'll shift. So, it's just giving me issues. That was literally my only pull of the night. That was stupid.
How fast did you get?
I didn't even look.
How fast do you think you got?
I have no idea. I was in second gear, so I'm not sure too much.
Alright, you got your driver's license, proof of insurance on you?
Yes, sir. I just got insurance, so it's on my... I have, like, the number.
You can have it on your phone.
Awesome.
Parole, anything like that?
Say that, sorry.
Are you on probation or parole?
Oh, no, sir. No, sir.
That you're aware of?
No, sir.
Alright.
Here's this for you. I don't know if you need this anymore. Okay. Tickets. Can I ask what you clocked me at?
Literally just today.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't get to ride very often, so...
Here's your ID.
Thank you, sir.
So, I'm actually just giving you a warning on the speed.
Oh, my dude, you're such a pimp. Thank you.
Listen, today, I'm cutting you a break.
Thank you.
So, I don't know if you're familiar with speed contests or exhibition of speed on the highway. So, familiarize yourself with that code.
Okay.
What that is if you are speeding, so exhibition of speed, so if you accelerate fast to show off.
Okay, yeah.
Exhibition of speed.
Right? Is that, okay.
That is a class A misdemeanor. You'd be going to jail and I'd be impounding your bike.
Oh.
Okay.
Is that what that was, basically?
So it's a little gray for me.
Okay.
I didn't go with that.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to be 100% certain that that's what you were doing.
Okay.
I cannot, where I was positioned, I couldn't see you coming from the light, so I didn't see how you started off coming out.
Yeah.
From that light.
Right.
I heard you.
Yeah.
Which is why I started creeping up.
Yeah.
At that time, you were already passing me at a high rate of speed.
Yeah.
So I wasn't. So I wasn't so much clocking speed.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Just like a visual.
You definitely passed me.
Yeah.
You acknowledged that you were speeding.
Mm-hmm.
So for that reason, I'm giving you a warning.
Okay.
You were being honest with me about it. Had I had more to go off of and seen you coming out from that light,
yeah,
I'd 100% hit you with the exhibition of speed.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
So, do you have any questions of what I'm
no, sir.
warning for?
Thank you.
Okay. I actually don't need a signature from you because it's not a citation.
Okay.
You don't need to contact the court or anything like that. Just slow down.
Okay.
You are now aware of what exhibition of speed is.
Yes, sir.
Contest is under the same code.
Okay.
The two of you take off in a racing manner. That's speed contest, right?
That would be like considered racing?
Yeah, racing.
Okay.
So, but it's under the same code, also a class A misdemeanor.
Okay.
So impound and you go jail.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Just let your friends know.
Yeah.
We don't care. You go cruise, dude. Go cruise, have fun, be safe. By all means, bro, but do not the speeding, the excessive speeding, the noise, the revving, all that stuff.
Yeah.
That's got to stop.
I gotcha. Okay. Thank you.
Any questions?
No, sir. Okay. Thank you so much.
Be safe.
You as well. Have a good night.
This biker shows the correct way to act on a traffic stop, especially if you are armed.
Hold on. But I'm armed, by the way.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay, where's it at?
So,
can I just pull your shirt up?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
You can grab it real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, do what you gotta do.
I appreciate it, man.
You're welcome. One's in the chamber, by the way.
Okay, cool, man.
My key.
Yep, I see it. The reason I pulled you over, your plate's flipped up, so I couldn't see it. Not that you were really doing anything too wrong, but
No, you're good.
I appreciate you pulling right over and pulling the key.
Of course.
This biker had music blasting in her helmet and couldn't hear the officer's instructions. While this usually makes cops frustrated, these ones understood what was happening.
cell phone. I have my car though.
Okay, so the reason why we stopped is because you know the license plate on your bike.
I know the thing broke off and I have it in my bag. It's literally right here. I have my registration too.
Yeah, they took a look at your license too.
Huh? Yeah. And they replaced the piece and the thing snapped off, so I was getting it replaced.
Okay, yeah, let's take a look at your license and insurance.
So the reason why I asked you guys to pull over is because 3 of your buddies just pursued off from me. So you guys all ramped on together at 89. So I want to see what's going on with the 3 that decided they can just take off. I lit them up and everything. 120 miles an hour, gone. Passing on the shoulder.
From what I could gather, these bikers were stopped after 3 other riders took off from the same officer. She pulled them over hoping to get more information, even though they hadn't done anything wrong themselves. Things escalated once the biker refused to identify himself.
Can't tell you what they're thinking.
Okay, well, what's their name? What I want to know.
Can't tell you that either.
You don't know them? You don't want to tell me.
Just explaining to you.
What's that?
I just know them from riding.
Okay. Alright. Can I get your guys' IDs, please?
For what?
I'm stopping you.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, well, I have to note that I've stopped you.
No.
So you're not going to give me your ID. Now, that's a problem.
Okay.
So I'm
your
asking,
law that
I'm
I
not
have to show
writing
you
you
my
a
ID.
ticket.
I haven't done anything wrong. What
Why
have I
are you
done
going to
wrong?
stay here and argue with me?
Because what have I done wrong?
I stopped
What
you.
have I done that you?
Because you guys are all riding in
I've done nothing wrong.
Look, man, I just want to write down your license. That's it. I'm not trying to write you a ticket. Just be cool with it.
I understand. I'm just not trying to give it to you. I haven't done anything wrong.
Is the vehicle registered to you? Is your bike registered to you?
Have you gone? What have I done?
What's that?
Have you gone?
No.
Am I detained?
You
I'm
are
detained
detained,
then?
yes.
For what? For what? What crime have I committed? How can you say I'm associated with anybody?
Don't be like him, dude. Do not leave. Do not leave.
Tell me what I've
Do
done
not
wrong.
leave. I'm giving you a wrong order. You're refusing to identify yourself. That's the problem.
It's not illegal.
Do not leave.
If I've done something wrong, then I have to give my ID. Otherwise,
You're doing something wrong right now.
That doesn't matter.
Stop.
That's the fact. That's because you're pressuring me
Look,
for
man.
my ID. You have no right to ask me for my
I
ID.
can
I've done
identify
nothing.
you, yes. I have a right to identify you. 3 of your guys
There's my
just
plate.
took off, and you
There's
guys
my
are all
plate.
associated
Do your
with this
job.
group.
There's my plate. So I could go now?
I'm not ready for you
You know
to
who I
leave.
am. You said you're not giving me a ticket. I'm still
Do
waiting
not
for it.
leave yet.
I've done nothing wrong. You're detaining me for no reason. You just said I was detained.
For no reason.
You are. Yes, you are. Oh my God.
You could have made this so simple, man. So simple.
It's all right.
Yeah, they're all recording. Give me your keys. Give me your keys. I'm not going to ask you again. Give me your keys. Hand me your keys, please. Yes. Okay. While you're sitting here thinking, give me your ID.
Oh, you ain't writing a ticket for.
I will write you a ticket. If you don't give me your ID, you're going to go to jail. Okay? You are required to identify yourself.
Even if I haven't done anything
You
else.
understand that
I'm asking you a question.
Have you done anything wrong? You are right now.
But you
We're
pulled me
beyond.
over for no
We're
reason.
beyond. So you want to go that route?
What was your
I'm
role
gonna
with it to pull me over?
I will put you in handcuffs. You will
What is your role for?
Just give me your ID.
Just answer my question. It's not bad. You're the sir.
After using an emergency lane to filter through, this biker was spotted by the cops, who really didn't like him being there. This biker said this happened 2 years ago, and he was 100% not wrong. He's just trying to educate new riders that if you are respectful during a stop, the cops might cut you a break.
Howdy.
Oh
Can
man.
you see your license?
Of
And
course.
go ahead and get out any other documents that you have.
Of course,
on
of
the
course.
bike. So the reason I'm stopping you is you cannot be in this emergency lane passing cars. Well, you can't even use it as a travel
I
lane.
thought this was a bike lane.
No, that is the bike lane.
I'm so sorry.
You are all the way over and you're passing cars. So this is the lane
Of course.
where we do emergency response in. Because you have no mirrors on this bike. you have a motorcycle endorsement? Do you have insurance on the
I
bike?
do, yes, yes.
Okay, well that's a start. All right, so I need to get some ID from you.
Sure.
Let me get that from you. Hopefully it's a driver license.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, right on. Is this the current address that you're at on this
Yes,
this
sir.
license here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right on. All right, let me get back to you in just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, sit tight. All right, have I got a deal for you? I just wanted to look at these here to see what this is. I can't find my dang multi-tool because I'm taking that plate.
Oh, yeah, you're good, 100%.
So, here's the deal. I'm not impounding the bike today, which is your lucky day.
Thank you so
Here's
much.
the other deal though, but so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna block traffic and we're gonna go right to that 7200 south. At the bottom of it, we're gonna make a right and a right, and you're gonna go down to the gas station where I'm gonna take some time to figure out how to get this plate off.
Okay.
I'll probably end up calling another guy, unless you have that hex nut tool to get that off. Station parking lot.
Okay.
And then we can take care of the stuff there.
Okay.
All right, so here's your license back.
Thank you, sir.
What I'm going to do is cite you for everything that we talked about, except for I'm not going to hit you on the mirrors. You still need to have mirrors.
Okay.
It's required to have mirrors, but I figured I got to give you a break somewhere besides not towing your vehicle today. Okay, so any questions on how we're going to get across?
No, sir.
It's going to seem kind of hairy, but I'm going to be the one going out, making the block for you.
Okay.
I'm going to take a lane, then you're going to get in front of me. Then I'm going to take a lane,
Yes,
and then
sir.
you're going to get in front of me. Where it's slow like this, it's not too risky.
Yes, sir.
I wouldn't do this at high speeds. We'd have to get our speed up and then go down to 90 south.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right on.
Okay,
I'll
I'm gonna
follow you
put-
down to that gas station.
One problem was sorted out on the side of the road, but then the officer took issue with the plate not being registered under his name, since he had only just bought the bike. Every state gives you a deadline to get that paperwork transferred, and riding before it's done can get you in trouble.
Well, I can't find it, so I'm gonna undo it with these right here.
Do we have any tools, you know?
Oh, what?
Tools?
You have like a little, if you had a pair of pliers that had like some needle nose, that's really what I wanted to get into there, because these are kind of big, but I think I can do this with it.
I think these are the only things. I mean, I could get like a bigger thing to fit into here maybe, and then unscrew it if you want me to try it.
I think this is whatever you have,
Huh?
let's try
That's the
it.
biggest one.
This is the biggest
Whatever
one?
we can get to spin this. There we go. We're getting it now. So you still live in Cleveland? Where are you headed to today?
Here's a meetup in Orem, and I got registered for my bike to be a part of it, and
What kind of a meet?
it's a huge car and bike meet.
Oh, okay, right on.
Yeah, well, we were going to, and we had buddies that were going to follow us up, but
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Sometimes that sucks, it gets ruined, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here's that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, man, any questions for me?
No, sir.
Right on. Good luck to you guys.
Thank you so much
Okay.
for giving me a break.
You bet.
Have a good day.
You too.
There is no denying a bike looks better with the plate tucked in, but that style comes with the cost of getting stopped by police on regular basis. In a lot of places, it also carries a hefty fine.
How you doing, boss?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. We got something for your plate being all tucked in. I can't read it.
What happened?
Your plate, your license plate, it's not visible. It's tucked in.
Okay.
You do that on purpose or
No.
no? Okay, can't see your driver's license. You can put your kickstand on.
Huh?
You can put your kickstand on.
I have it in my backpack.
All right, go ahead. You have the registration and insurance on the bike too?
Yes.
Yeah? Where's that at? In the backpack or in the...
The registration is in the trunk, and I have my insurance on my phone.
Let me see the registration. Does it go down? Does it be flat or does the plate holder come up?
Yeah, I was in the video. My bike got it. That's why it's like that.
Gotcha.